Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the month again. We're gonna go through our Boxycharm, but first our intro. So first we're gonna go through spoilers. Y'all know this is everybody's favorite parts of my video and y'all don't even watch the rest of it. But it's okay. I appreciate the views no matter how I get them. So the first thing we have got, if I can find it, is Joe said that the first variation would include Violet Voss, Tarte, and Too Faced. Awesome. All really good brands. Then we have got a full reveal of the Boxyluxe, not Boxycharm, Boxyluxe, one variation, which includes a Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, some kind of pineapple face mist stuff, a water bottle with like a fruit infuser, a sponge gel, again, IGK hair stuff, and a curling wand. There's also a couple other variations that I have saved that include either the sponge gel thing with the water bottle, or Park Avenue Princess, or the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and also it's either the Violet Voss palette or the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette that we got in a box a while back. That was a mouthful. So those are the spoilers I have for now. I'll put links and all that jazz in the description like always, and as more spoilers come out, I'll add them in. So we're going to go ahead with this box. First thing we're going to do is go to this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I am so excited about this. I remember when this product released, I was first learning the wonders of setting powder, but I hadn't convinced myself to try it yet. Now I get to. It is really pricey, which is why I didn't buy it on my own. So we got to get up in here and get this stuff off. Y'all, I have on fake nails and they're just press-ons. Oh, and I just spilt a lot of it. So that was like 20 bucks in my lap. That's fun. Anyways, it looks like this. It has kind of a meshy thing. It's supposed to feel cool when you put it on. I put on my concealer and stuff already. I'm going to pat down to get out the wrinkles. Grab some of this and apply it, and that is really stinking cool. It does feel wet when I apply it, and I don't know if y'all can see a difference, but just looking from this eye to this one, I feel like this one does look a little bit smoother. Definitely a plus. So we're going to go ahead and do this eye too, and go ahead and say that I think I'm really going to like this and I'm going to use it, other than that half of it that I just spilled. And I spilled more. Yeah, I'm a train wreck today, but it's totally fine. So definitely going to go with that's amazing. It's only like halfway full. A lot of people complained about that, and a lot of people pointed out that getting a product in a certain container does not mean that it is going to be full. You go by the weight, not the container. So everybody's is half full. If you think yours is wrong, it's not. It's just how they look, and y'all, it feels so silky where I put that. That is unreal. So excited. Then I'll go ahead and show y'all. We got this Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil from Wander Beauty. I can't use it on camera. It's skincare, duh. But I wanted to show it to y'all. And also, I know my makeup is already almost completely done, but I got two single eyeshadows from Ace Beauty in Ice Latte and Cotton Candy. I did my crease so that I could go ahead and do the lid for y'all on camera. I'm going to put the pink in the inside and the brown on the outside. So we're just gonna pull this here. Oh, that is super pretty. I'm regretting because I ain't gotta even use the brown. I'm in love with this one. But we're gonna put that there and then go ahead and do the other eye real quick. I know. Makeup application is so boring. Speed it up and gives me music. Not today. We will with a mascara though. Yeah, there's a mascara. So then we're gonna take this one, which is the iced latte. Doesn't look nearly as exciting, but it is pigmented and pretty. I like that cotton candy though, because it's got a prismatic feel to it, which I'm always down for. So we're just gonna tap, 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 all in there so we can be super shiny. Your girl's got another date tonight, go figure. I'm not gonna be single forever, guys, I'm determined. So we've got that taken care of. Now I'm gonna slip off here and do eyeliner real quick, and then I'll come back with our last two products. Okay, we got our eyeliner on, and now we're gonna go for our mascara that came in the box. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Claims to be incredible. People have said that it's pretty full, but not clumpy full. We'll see. All these nails. I never wear press-ons, but I wanted to look like a whole girl today. So here's the thing, it's cute. We are gonna go ahead and just apply this close to the camera so we can see how it looks on one eye and not the other. I can already tell that this isn't my preferred mascara, but it's definitely not bad. I see what they mean about it being full, because it definitely is. You can tell I have mascara on, but it's not like crazy clumpy, which I kind of like the almost clumpy look. And that's a personal preference. A lot of people don't. This keeps them pretty individual. They don't really look thicker, just longer, a little bit fuller. I don't know, but it's not a bad mascara. Definitely something that I'll probably use again or end up tossing in a go bag, or, you know, whatever. If I can't find another mascara, or if I'm just feeling a little more natural with my makeup that day. Always depends on how I'm feeling, what look I go for. So when I say it's not my preferred, it just means that on a date night I normally wouldn't wear this. Because when it comes to work functions, I try not to go too overboard. Y'all know the corporate hustle, right? But anyways, yeah, so that is that. It did smudge a little, not horribly. I've definitely seen far worse on smudging, but it'll be all right. Now we've got our last product, which I'm really regretting not opening ahead of time because nails, but we're gonna make it work. We've got this Steve Laurent lip liner that I can't get open. Y'all, this is the true struggle, I'm telling you. First world problems all over the place today. I'll be right back. Okay, we got it open, and y'all, I literally have like beads of sweat on my face from how hot it is in this room right now. I've got to figure out if there's like not a vent in my studio or what's going on, because it's always hot as hell in here. And I don't really know why. Figure that out later. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this. We're totally not gonna overline. We're gonna overline. And we're gonna put a nude lipstick on top of it. But we're just gonna take it here and apply. Okay. I'm really not a stickler on lip liner, but I don't feel like that's my thing. It was kind of waxy and hard to get on, and the tip is weird. I don't know. I mean, I don't hate it. I just don't love it. Yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and put this nude BH lipstick over it. And yeah, that looks fine. There's nothing wrong with the lip liner. Just not my personal preference. But yeah, so this month's box is super good in my opinion because this alone is like 40 bucks. Doubled your value almost in one product. I don't know what the rest of it is worth. I'm not really sure. I want to say the lip liner is supposed to be like 15. The mascara is like, I don't know, let me look at the card. Mascara is $23, $42 for that face oil stuff, and $25 for both of those shadows, also variation 2. I forgot to say that. But yeah, so this is a pretty good box. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the lip liner. The mascara is decent. The eyeshadows are pretty. The powder's nice. I don't use a whole lot of skincare. I have a routine now that I stick to. And typically that is all that I use. But we shall see. We'll also see how well this powder holds up tonight. But yeah, so that is the box. I gave you your spoilers. I hope y'all are happy. Be sure to check the description for more spoilers as they become available, and have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.